Welcome to Bitcoin Fantasy. It's time to explore. Blockchain offers many opportunities, but at the same time, it is a very dangerous place. Just a few hours ago, the current president of the United States, one of the most influential countries in the world, launched his own meme. You will surely find a lot of information on the different networks. The market at times like these becomes a jungle, people who tell you they became millionaires and others who regret not buying. Many smoke sellers sell you courses and private groups where they will make you a fortune if you pay them a monthly fee. We will be as honest as possible about everything that happened. At the time of this video's creation, the coin is currently priced at over $20. Since its initial launch, it has risen by more than 2,000%. Those who invested $1,000 over the two can now have $10,000, and so the higher your investment, the more you could earn. The opportunity existed and was real, but don't believe what you hear on social media, because in the minutes of the launch, the story was not as pretty as it may sound. It all started with the announcement on Donald Trump's official Twitter account. In those minutes, some people might think that if they saw the announcement, they would have invested a lot of money, considering that he is one of the most influential people in the world. But the truth is that in that second, a lot of theories emerged that it could be a scam or a hack, and the arguments were valid. There was a wallet that had 80% of the entire supply, which meant and means that a rug pull could be executed at any time. Its website was registered to an anonymous domain that is usually used by scammers in similar currencies. All of this, added to the fact that Elon Musk did not confirm whether the account had been hacked, turned the launch of this currency into a totally dangerous act where you could lose all your money investing. Without a doubt, the existing manipulation was brutal. Many will wonder if it is a good time to buy now. We definitely won't. We had the chance to buy for $2, and we didn't do it for many reasons. We don't regret it either. We made our decisions based on our criteria and objectives. You should do your own research, and if you want to buy. But what we want to tell you is that you don't get fooled by the liars on social media. They are only using referral links where they make money with every purchase you make. They don't care if you make money or lose money. They will always win. It's a rigged game. You can make a lot of money with memes. That's a fact. The blockchain doesn't lie, and we have an example like this wallet. If we investigate it, it bought about $40,000 in the first minutes of its launch. Currently, its purchase is already valued at more than $2 million. This data is real, but what we don't know is if this person has a relationship with Donald Trump or with those in charge of its creation, perhaps his son. This would mean that he plays with a great advantage over all of us. So the chances of achieving this would be remote. This video is purely informative because we like to remember events that happen on the blockchain, and without a doubt this will be something that will leave its mark on the history of cryptocurrencies, positively or negatively. If all the information was useful to you now, you can click like, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss upcoming free NFT games, airdrops, raffles, DeFi investments, and much more content that we work on daily. Write your comments below because we always read them. It is time to say goodbye, wishing you profitable investments or knowledge, and remember that if you have a Bitcoin fantasy, you should join us.
Watching script will take you deep.